Are your 76ers making that clicking noise? I have the right solution for you. All you need is pliers, a brush, maybe a screwdriver, and a little bit of oil. If you keep good maintenance on your blades, they can last you for years. I'm gonna explain it to you. Let's just check it out right quick. You'll be able to find on the back side two little inner pieces on the back. I'm gonna point them out for you. Those pieces, you'll be using the pliers to put a little force on there so it can snug a lot better on your 76ers. You do want to be very careful while doing this. Clicking. So yes, that pretty much concludes the video. If your 76ers are making a real loud cranky noise, all you have to do is just do a little bit of tuning and refining, bring those pieces together, and it'll be back as new. Peace.